Let's look at the main simulation tab. On the left side, we have the interactive control panel. This allows us to instantaneously adjust critical parameters like active power, power factor, and generator reactance using manual sliders. On the right side, we have the visualization panel. At the top is the dynamic phasor diagram. As I move the sliders, you can see the vectorial relationship between the internal, terminal, and grid voltages update in real time. Below that, the voltage and current bar chart monitors magnitudes. If we push the system into unstable conditions, the system triggers a red underexcited alert to warn the operator. The integrated toolbar allows you to instantly reset the view with the home button, save your analysis as an image, and pan across the diagram for a closer look. As shown here, you can zoom to every detail. For a more comprehensive engineering analysis, we can toggle the advanced mode. This makes our simulation much more realistic than standard textbook problems. It allows us to add extra losses and load factors that occur in actual operation. As we adjust these parameters, the software instantly recalculates and updates the voltage regulation and efficiency percentages in real time. This gives us a clear picture of how the system really behaves and shows the gap between theory and real-world application. We also included an info tab that provides theoretical definitions. Here, you can find theoretical definitions for key terms like transformer impedance and internal voltage. We also embedded the system's schematic circuit diagram directly in this panel, allowing users to visualize the equivalent model. Finally, the About Us tab features a scrolling credits animation to acknowledge our project team and academic advisor. In conclusion, our results align with theoretical calculations, verifying performance under load. It proves our software is reliable for examining electrical networks. Thank you for watching.